BB Bowl. Sing and learn together.
Hey friends, it's so nice to meet you again. Let's play super fun riddle. Give me your best guess. Let's go, friend.
I fall from the clouds, I fill up your glass, and help flowers grow. What am I? Yes, water. W-A-T-E-R. Our planet and body consist of water at most, and we need water for everything to live and grow. I make buzzing sound. I live in a hive. I love flowers. What am I? It's bee. B-E-E. Bees are really important animals. They help plants to grow, even to produce our food. I have land, oceans, mountains, and you call me home. What am I? Yes, Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Our amazing planet and home for plants, animals, and humans like us. I have long ears, fluffy tail, and I hop, hop, hop. What am I? Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Yes! Bunny is fluffy, cute animal. They are friendly and very soft. I don't have legs, but I can move fast in the sea. What am I? Yes, fish. F-I-S-H. Amazing animals. Live in the water. They can be small or...
Now let's sing together.
I float in clouds, I fill the glass, I help the flowers grow so fast. Drip, drip, drop, I fall all day. What am I? Can you say? Water. I make a buzzing, humming sound. I fly and float above the ground. I live inside a busy hive. I love the flowers, feel alive. B. I have land and oceans wide. Mountains tall and trees with pride. You live on me from head to toe. What am I? Do you know? Earth. I have long ears and a fluffy tail. I hop around on grassy trails. I munch on carrots, soft and sweet. What am I with hopping feet? Bunny. I don't have legs, but I can swim through rivers deep and oceans dim. I flick my tail and glide with glee. What am I that lives in sea? Fish! Riddle time is so much fun. Guessing games for everyone. Sing and play and shout hooray. We learn new things today.